Uchenna.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, hello.
You're welcome.
Welcome. But I want to cheat. As a Ghana, you want to. Anyway, can you take us out?
These are my house job.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, this is too small. I take you on this one.
Why not try this?
I love this! I love this one, you know. Like, don't worry, I know how to do it, you know. I take it all the time. What? We're okay.